Section 20 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 3, September, 1898.
Recorded for LibriVox.org by Larry Wilson.
The Hunted Squirrel. Then a valley, centuries ago, ranging the hedges for his filbert food, sits pertly on a bough, his brown nuts cracking, and from the shell the sweet white kernel taking, till with their crooks and bags a sort of boys to share with him come with so great a noise, that he is forced to leave a nut nigh broke, and for his life leap to a neighbor oak.
Thence to a beech, thence to a row of ashes, whilst through the quagmires and red water plashes the boys run dabbling through the thick and thin. One tears his hose, another breaks his shin.
This torn and tattered hath with much ado got by the briars, and that hath lost his shoe. This drops his band, that headlong falls for haste, another cries behind for being last. With sticks and stones and many a sounding halloo, the little fool with no small sport they follow, whilst he from tree to tree, from spray to spray, gets to the woods and hides him in his dray. William Brown, Old English Poet. End of Section 20. This recording is in the public domain.